Hello everyone, my name is Alejandra Vargas. I am studying Industrial Engineering, and this is the Unit 3, Step 4, Understand it Negotiation of the Group 6. Okay, problem to negotiate biotechnological products. This is a difficult sector because the investments that are needed to progress and grow require a significant amount of money. They have no parents' income. One of the biggest difficulties is that actions aimed at increasing investment capacity in biotechnology companies are not resolved. First, the state must encourage this support. Lack of accurate valuation of technology. Expansion of the range of innovative and undeveloped segments and control the quality and safety of the products. Sticks to rigid. Okay, the definition and advantages of technology transfer. Technology transfer is basically the transfer of technological skill and knowledge between organizations, as well as the creation of value in their products and services in order to generate great competitiveness and promote research, the development of new ideas, products or service, and is way creative intellectual property and attract investment to the country. Advantages: generates intellectual and industrial property, generates value and competitiveness in companies, generates knowledge and new products and services. It promotes your research and development in centers and universities. It generates innovation and added value for the country. It attracts investment to the country, promotes the continuous development of organization. Recommendation to solve problems in the negotiation of biotechnological products. Okay, 1. Carry out agreements that facilitate access to financing for research and development of new initiatives that serve society. Expand the range of innovative and undeveloped segments and control the quality of products safely. Action aimed at increasing investment capacity in biotechnology companies must be strengthened. Thank you so much.